A stuck hood latch can be frustrating and even dangerous if you need to access your engine quickly. Diagnosing the problem is the first step toward fixing it. Here's how to identify the causes of a hood latch that won't open properly. Begin by sitting inside the car and pulling the hood release lever, paying close attention to how it feels when you pull it. If the lever feels loose or moves without any resistance, it's likely that the hood release cable is either broken or has become disconnected from the latch mechanism. On the other hand, if the lever feels tight, stiff or doesn't move at all, the problem might be with the latch itself. It could be stuck, rusted, or jammed due to lack of lubrication or dirt buildup. This first check helps you determine whether the problem lies with the cable or the latch mechanism. The hood latch keeps the car hood securely closed. If the latch is broken, rusted, or misaligned, the hood may not close or stay shut. A misaligned latch can also prevent it from locking into place with the striker plate, similar to how a car door won't close properly if its latch is off. Fixing the alignment or replacing a damaged latch is often needed to restore proper function. The hood release system in most cars uses a cable that connects the interior release handle to the hood latch. This cable needs to have the correct tension to work properly. If the cable is too loose or too tight, it can prevent the hood from closing and latching securely. As a result, the hood may stay slightly open or not lock at all, which can be a safety problem. Ensuring the cable has proper tension is important for the hood to operate correctly. Rust on car parts can affect how they work, especially the springs that help the hood open and close. These springs give support and tension so the hood moves smoothly. If the springs become rusty or damaged, they may lose their strength and not work properly. This can cause the hood to stay open or not close all the way. If a car is in a front-end accident, the hood can become misaligned and may not close properly. Parts of the hood latch can get bent, broken, or moved out of place, making it hard or impossible to shut the hood. To help prevent accidents, it's important to use defensive driving techniques like staying alert, keeping a safe distance, and following speed limits. By carefully checking each part of the hood release system, you can identify the cause and take the right steps to fix it. Regular maintenance and staying alert to early signs of wear can help keep your hood working safely and smoothly.